Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add a page in Wix Studio. So you just have to open any of your sites, and then once you're here, all you have to do is to simply click on the pages, this one at the top left of your screen. Okay, so just click on this one, and then you'd be able to see this option, which is the Manage Pages. So just click on it. Okay, that's right. And then all the way here on the bottom, just have to click on the add new page. So here we can add standard pages, dynamic page, and custom member page. So I'm just going to add a standard page. So once you clicked on it, you'd be directed to this page. And what you're going to do next is to simply type out right here the name of your new page. So after adding this page and giving it a name, you can now start customizing this page, and after that, you'll then just have to click on publish. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.